how can a printer change the landscape of modern medicine? You might wonder. Let's start with the basics. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. It's like building an object layer by layer, and it's revolutionizing a multitude of industries. One of these is the medical field, where 3D printing is transforming patient care and treatment. This isn't about mere paperwork, it's about creating tangible, life-saving devices. So how does 3D printing fit into the world of medicine? Well, the possibilities are as vast as they are fascinating. For starters, 3D printing is used to create patient-specific models, making surgical planning more precise and leading to improved outcomes. It's like having a roadmap for complex procedures, reducing the margin for error significantly. Then, there's the creation of custom prosthetics. No longer bound by standard sizes, patients can now receive prosthetics tailored to their unique needs, enhancing comfort and functionality. And let's not forget bioprinting, the cutting-edge practice of creating tissues and even organs. This could potentially eliminate the need for organ donations in the future. From planning intricate surgeries to creating custom prosthetics, 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare. So, what should you remember about 3D printing in medicine? First off, it's a game changer. We've seen how it's transforming the field, bringing about more efficient processes and personalized solutions. It's not just about creating models for study or practice, it's about actual prosthetics, implants, and even organs tailor-made for patients. Imagine how this can revolutionize transplant procedures and reduce waiting times. Additionally, the quality of healthcare is boosted. 3D printing allows for precise, high-quality medical devices, reducing risks and enhancing surgical outcomes. It's breaking down barriers, opening up possibilities we've only dreamt of. Remember, 3D printing isn't just a technological novelty, it's a tool that's reshaping medical science and improving lives.